Hello, this is Master Hunt, and today I'm going to show you how to use Scratchpad to code your first JavaScript program. It's only going to be very simple. It'll be just one line of code and just a basic hello world program. So first you need to have Firefox open up. Try to change the shape of the window to just take about half of the screen. And then again, we want to make sure this window is selected, the Firefox web browser. And then we're gonna use the Shift F4 key combo to open up Scratchpad. So we have Scratchpad. Open here. This is Scratchpad, and we're gonna type in the alert function. So it's very simple. It's ALERT and an opening parentheses, and with double quotes, we're gonna put in the word. We're gonna type in the words hello. Oop, that's wrong. Hello world! Exclamation mark. Not exclamation mark is not really necessary. And it's very important. We need to make sure every line of code in JavaScript ends with a semicolon. Okay, very important. Semicolon. So this is one line of code. Alert. And then we have the double quotes here and the double quotes here. And then we have the string or the words or sentence that we have here that we want to print up. And then we'll have, when we run this one line of code, we'll have a pop-up box pop up in the Firefox web browser. And basically it just says the same thing here, hello world. And I will run it. So show you. Okay, so you want to bring your mouse up to this word that says run, R-U-N, run. You click on that, and whammo! We have a pop-up box, and it says hello world, which matches what you typed here in this one line of code. Hello world! And normally it will ask you, it'll say whatever text message you put in here, it'll repeat it over here, and it'll ask you to click OK. And until you click OK, you won't be able to use a web browser. This is why pop-up boxes are annoying. You probably, in the olden times, yes, a lot of web pages would have these pop-up boxes. It was very annoying. So this is an example of how to use the alert command. Do not use this often or at all, if possible, because it is annoying, and you don't want to annoy your users when they visit your web browser or use your web app. So try not to use too many alerts. This is just an example. Okay, so but we can also change this to another function. Actually, it's a method, but let's just call it a function for right now. And it's called the document.write. Okay. And what it'll do is it won't be a pop-up box. It'll actually replace all this web page with whatever you wrote here. It'll put over here in one page. Okay, and then and again, remember, make sure there's these double quotes, parentheses, these parentheses. You want to make sure there's these parentheses and these double quotes and a semicolon. Okay, we already have that. And then we're going to go back up to this run command, and we're going to click on run, and then this web page has changed, and it says the whole web page is gone. Whatever was there before is gone, and you replace it with these two words: hello world, hello world. Okay, so those are So those are two different ways where you can code your first program in JavaScript. Your first, which is the classic hello world. You can either do document.write, or you can use, and then I'll go to the next line, and then I'll to alert. Oops, wrong. Parentheses, semicolon, and then inside we want to have double quotes, and then we're going to put out, okay, I go change that. I'll say Good day. Good day, exclamation mark. Good day. And then we will run that and let's see what happens. And let's see what happens here. Okay, we'll run that. And it says good day. And it added another hello world. That was the first hello world, and it just added another hello world. Okay. So today we opened up the Firefox Scratchpad, and we wrote our first program. We first did an alert, and then we did a document.write, and then we combined them and put it all into one program. Well, we did a lot today. Okay. Thank you for listening, for watching this video. Thank you very much, and I wish you all the best. Goodbye.